In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize a watch list on the app so you can easily track the performance of your favorite instruments. Start by opening the app and scrolling to the end of your instrument lists. Here, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it to start creating a new watch list. Once you tap the plus, you'll be prompted to choose a name for your watch list. Pick a name that helps you easily identify it, like crypto favorites or top stocks. This will make it simple to organize multiple watch lists if you want to track different sets of instruments. Next, search for the instruments you want to add. You can type the name or ticker symbol in the search bar, and when the instrument appears, tap the plus icon next to it. After selecting the instruments, choose the watch list you want to add them to, the one you just created or an existing watch list. And that's it. You now have a fully custom watch list with your desired instruments. You can repeat this process anytime to add more instruments, create new watch lists, or rename your watch lists for better organization. Having a watch list makes it much easier to keep track of your favorite instruments and monitor their performance in real time. Whether you're tracking crypto, stocks, or other assets, this feature is a powerful tool to help you stay on top of your portfolio.